welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 2 of Momtober. Today is the day that I'm actually going to decorate. Yesterday I just didn't have time. I got complicated at work. Janelle had a doctor's appointment, so I just couldn't do it. So the state of my house is a hot mess because everything of Halloween is outside, just laying on the floor. And but I definitely need to clean. So I have to clean and decorate at the same time, and then you can just follow along with me. And I'll show you how everything turned out at the end. But yeah, that's what's happening today. Janelle, again, is at my mom's house because we slept over. So I will just surprise her when she gets back with all the decorations. That's originally what I wanted to do anyways. So today that I don't have to go anywhere, there's no doctor's appointment, that's what's happening. So this is the state that I left everything. And yes, such a hot mess. So I am going to fix this. I actually found these in the closet. I bought this last year when Halloween was over. So I'm excited to use it. It's not going to be filled with leaves because here in Miami we don't really, it's not fall like at all. But I don't know, I'll see if I fill it up with like grocery bags or something. But I am excited to use these. These are super cute. I'm actually going to be taking these off too. This is a contact paper that I put, I don't even know when. I think it was like at the beginning of quarantine. I was just super bored and I ordered this. But I actually think I'm gonna take it off since I'm going more for the farm look. The countertops are black. So I think I'm gonna leave it black. I mean, if I don't like it, I'll put it again. I have like a ton more. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off. So I'm gonna do that first before I start cleaning and decorating. Voila! This was definitely not an easy task. I had to tackle this side, but not an easy task. This side was so much easier, but look what happened. Oh my goodness. I have to like try and put that back together. Otherwise I need an emergency help from my brother. This side was even easier. It came out super easy, and the best part is it did not come apart. So I don't think that was This is why it's important to know what you have before you buy. I found my pumpkin that I can put my K-cups, so I tried it out already and it's perfect. And I had a Hocus Pocus sign that I used to have by the door, but it's all right. At least it's two different signs, and I could put this one elsewhere. But yeah, this is still a hot mess. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with all the decorations. I do feel like I need a couple of things, mostly for the outside. I have nothing outside but the inflatable mini, which it's fine, but I would like something for the front porch. But yeah, I am all done. It took me a very long time, but I will have a full tour tomorrow for day 3 of Momtober, but I will film her reaction today. So when I pick her up from my mom's, I'm just gonna film her reaction. We'll see if she even likes it. You know how kids are, they make you look bad sometimes, but I'm excited for her to see, especially that I kind of decorate her kitchen sometimes, not sometimes, all the time for all the different holidays. So yeah, so she's gonna be excited. I know she's gonna be excited for that, but I'll see you guys later. What is what?
Eso.
¿Qué tú mira?
A Minnie.
Minnie Mouse?
Yeah.
You see it?
I cannot see porque toda la siga.
Oh, okay. We're getting down.
Bye.
Bye. But it's raining. You can go see her now.
¿Por qué podemos cerrarla para que no se moja?
No, mi amor, ella, no importa que ella se moje. It doesn't matter. She's for the outside. Okay? Doesn't matter if she gets wet.
What is this?
You like it?
I like it. Wait a second. That's orange.
That is orange. It says Hocus Pocus.
Oh.
Open. Hello.
What?
Wow.
What? Wait. But you guys, what? What's this? What?
You like the Halloween decorations?
Yeah, but what's this? It's forever. What?
It's Halloween.
What's this? This Harry candy?
It's a... That's a witch. This is a
cat.
cat, and this is a pumpkin.
Oh, you have a Halloween?
Yes, for Halloween. You like it?
Yeah. Mommy, can
¿Te
you
gustó?
have candy?
I don't think so. You have to wait for October 31st.
What? But I need it.
You need candy?
Yeah.
For what?
For Halloween.
We'll buy some. Compramos en la tienda, okay?
Okay.
I believe she was super surprised. Tomorrow I'll have the full tour of everything and how I put everything. All right, everyone, I am gonna get going. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for following along. Say bye.
Bye.